Hey, it's Scott here with Nöhlster to give a quick demo on how to upgrade your existing M18 Milwaukee clip with the Nöhlster locking tool clip. So the first thing you'll have to decide is which side you want it on. The Nöhlster clip is universal and mounts to either the right or the left. I'm right-handed, so I mount it to the left. So we'll take the existing one off. And you want to be sure to dispose of this properly so no future tools ever get damaged again. The Nöhlster has teeth built into it to keep it from rotating. We provide you with a pack of screws and some other accessories. This is an adapter for some other brands. You won't need that for Milwaukee. This adapter is for Milwaukee first generation M12. You won't need that for the M18. So we'll find the right screw. We'll compare it to, comes with 7 screws to fit just about every brand. And this looks like the right one. And it is. We're going to take the battery out just in case. Then all you'll need to do is put your favorite bits in. And that's the M18. Merry Christmas. Damaged again. Damaged again. Damaged again.